do anything different to what you're already doing. I'll remove the low branch here. And in terms of the rest of the structure, well, we do have this question of access here, don't we?
Yes, we have to shorten the
branches. Yeah. And what we try...
We can remove this branch.
Yes, good. That was what I'd like to do.
Yeah.
Because if we shorten it, we're just going to get reaction growth, and we're going to really not solve the problem. So this is the one to remove. Whoops. Yeah, and we do try not to shorten anything because that will stiffen it up. We'd rather have the weight of fruit, bring it down, and that will help with our access. Yeah, because even this is crowding it a little bit, but perhaps not used to these ones. We could take this off here, and yeah, maybe just that. All right, well, there's some upright vegetative one-year-old shoots to remove, and not much else. The trees are good, they don't need a lot of correction done. I guess there's this branch here, I'm wondering about whether to remove that because it's quite strong. I think I will, because this is really a problem for access, and we have quite a good number of branches on the tree already. It's going to create a little bit of a hole, but I think we can afford to do that. Oops. It's a little bit blunt, the saw. Okay, so then really there's just the one-year-olds to remove. That's in there. Take that off the top. This one. That one. That one. And well, we could tie this one down.
Yes.
But I don't think there's any point in keeping that. And the bending has worked very well to devigorate the top.
This is the...
Oh, okay. Well, actually, I'd rather tie that down, say in May, if possible.
But it became more vigorous.
If you leave it that long?
Yeah, if we will leave it.
Yes.
We have to bend it down.
Yes, okay. Fair enough.
Okay, I will.
Okay. And then this, well, I think either we're going to tie it down as well, or remove it. Those are the choices, really. Do you have a preference? Yeah, let's tie it down.
What are you going to do at the top, Jeff?
Yeah, well, the preference would be to tie both of these down. We can do it now, but it would be better to do it a month after bloom. If you could wait that long.
We can't wait it.
We can't wait. You can't wait? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You'll be too busy then?
I had already done there.
Oh, yes.
Just
okay. Okay. Yeah.
Cut
Oh,
it.
sorry. All right, so we tie these two down,
yes,
and I think the job's done. It's an easy pruning job.
You will tie it.
Sure. So if you're hand thinning and you see some shoots
Yes.
coming up, maybe you can just remove them.
Remove or pinch.
Yes, either or. Yes. And this one too.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm kind of on the wrong side, but I'll have a go.
Yeah, pakda सीधी. Climb upward. You can climb up now.
Okay, you can. Oh, okay. Just guessing here on the left. Might be worth importing some ladders from New Zealand. Do you
Okay.
think?
Okay.
Could be worth looking into. Get some aluminium ladders.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice and light and stable and easy to.
Are available in here too.
Yes. Are they?
Yeah.
Out of aluminium?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, available in the. But we do not use in orchards.
No.
We use these iron ladders.
All right.
Because our labor is still so hard.
Yes.
Yes.
We have to cut these extra branches, I think. Can I?
Yep. Sure. On the side, I would actually
Which
rather
one?
leave them.
Which one? This one or which one? I leave it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Leave.
Leave it and observe what happens. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this one also.
Remove.
Well, again, we'd rather. Oh no! Whoops!
Oh.
I broke it. Sorry.
There you go.
Has to go. Well, again, we'd probably rather keep them because the more you prune it, the stronger it'll grow. Whereas if you leave both of them, there will be
The thing
less
is that
less growth.
They create a lot of shade if you leave both branches.
Right. We wouldn't worry about the shade caused by just the one.
Because our rows are not in south north direction.
Right.
That's why we need little
More sunlight.
more sunlight.
Yes. Okay. Well, I think so long as most of your shoots are of this kind of length, it's okay. That's what you want to try and manage as far as
What we do you saw, we have pinched them.
Yes.
This year, first we pinch them here,
Mhm.
and second pinch we have here. That's why we keep them in.
Yes.
Control.
Yes.
And same thing is here
Yeah.
and here.
Yes.
To
Yeah. I
keep
see that.
them.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they move.
Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, there's a fruit bud there, isn't there?
Yes.
In there. So
Yes.
yeah.
We pinch them.
Can I add something here?
Yes.
If you look down your road there, can you see all the clover growing between the trees?
Yes.
That's a legume. So
Yes, yes.
if the pH is in the right zone, which it is,
Okay.
the bacteria can produce lots of nitrogen for you.
Yes.
And maybe I'm looking at that and thinking, and then looking at the trees and thinking, maybe you don't want any nitrogen.
Okay.
Okay.
also will help
We
with
only
fruit color. Your color will be better if your
yes,
nitrogen
only
levels aren't too high.
phosphorus we require. I
And
think.
maybe
And
no,
potassium.
sorry, potassium we require.
I don't know enough about your soil here. I would like to see a soil test of
But the soil of Himalaya is already rich in phosphorus.
in this area. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
There you go. Potassium then. Yep.
Potassium, we need
Yep.
only potassium.
Small handful, 30 grams, 40 grams.
of
Yep.
potassium.
Per
Yep.
tree.
Yep.
Okay. So how is this orchard becoming?
Just a question.
It's coming along really well. The most important thing with the pruning, I think, now is to be brave enough to do what we did here and take the biggest branches out,
Okay.
because if you keep them and start pruning them, they will create problems for you. And
Does it always
if you
look
can
like
keep
this?
the smaller, weaker branches which have more buds and are more fruitful, then the whole block will be easier to manage and the production will be better.
Okay.
Ah,